Hey everybody, it's Matthew with Theme Park Exclusives, and today we're going to be talking about how to connect your tickets to a Magic Band. Now some of you may be wondering why even worry about connecting your ticket to a Magic Band. Well, Magic Bands can do all sorts of things that can make your time at Disney so much easier. Magic Bands can let you into the park, they can let you into your room if you're staying at a Disney resort, it can be used to pay if you connect a card, it can be used for fast passes for your favorite rides, and so much more. Now, when you're connecting your ticket to a Magic Band, you're going to want to make sure that you have a few things. You're going to need a My Disney Experience account, the My Disney Experience app, valid theme park admission, as well as the Magic Band that you're trying to connect. The first thing that you're going to want to do is find the code inside the Magic Band. It will look just like this. Next, you're going to open the My Disney Experience app and click on the three bars in the bottom right-hand corner. This is the page that you should see. Then you're going to want to scroll down and click on Link to Account. Next, you're going to click on Link Magic Band or card located at the bottom. Now you want to enter that code you found earlier on your Magic Band here. Then another screen will pop up and you will assign the Magic Band to a person in your party. To check and see if the Magic Band was connected, you'll click on the three bars again in the bottom right hand corner, scroll down and click on My Profile. Then click on Magic Bands and Cards and you will be able to see all the active Magic Bands. Now I know there are a lot of awesome looking Magic Bands out there and you're probably wondering if it's possible to have more than one Magic Band at a time. And the answer is yes. As long as they are all active and linked correctly to your ticket, you will be able to use your Star Wars Magic Band on Monday and your Mickey Mouse Magic Band on Tuesday. Also, Magic Bands can be linked to new tickets. That means if you purchase a Magic Band now that you really like, and you want to use it again when you come back in a year or two, you don't have to purchase a new Magic Band, although you're more than welcome to. All you have to do is connect your new tickets to the Magic Band just like in this video. Thanks for watching, I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you were able to get your tickets linked successfully. If you have any other questions about Magic Bands, please let me know in the comments down below.